in order to use list view, I opened Android Studio and created the appearance of the app. And also, I have already run the emulator. In order to use list view and create a list view, I should go here and make the body of this scaffold as Listview.builder. So the body should be Listview.builder. After that, we should set some parameters for list view, that some of them are obligatory and there are some parameters that are optional. The first obligatory parameter is that we should set an item builder for it. But what is item builder? Item builder has a context and an index. So context and index. We also add another parameter to it. This parameter is called physics. So we should set the physics. We have actually several types of physics. The first type is always scrollable. So let me type it. So it is always scrollable, scroll physics. This parameters enables the list view to have a scrolling capability. But if we select never scrollable, we won't have the scroll capability. So it is never scrollable, scroll physics. So we can have any of them, but we want to have the scroll feature in this app, so we select always scrollable physics. But what should we do for item builder? We should have an item count here. We use it to say the application the number of items we have. For example, I set the items as 5. And inside the item builder, I return a text. So we are returning a text. So we are having a text with index. It's enough up to here. Let me run the program and see how it works. Well, as you see, our application is running on the emulator and the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are shown on the page. In order to have a better appearance for our application, we place it inside an inkwell. And we use cards. So I put it inside an inkwell. And inside it, I place a child named card. It is card widget. And the card actually has a child which is located in the center. And the name of the child is text. So just like this. So what should we do now? We should set a height for it. So we place the child of Inkwell inside a container, and we can also do something else. We come here and place its child inside a container, and we set a child for it, and place the center inside the container, and set a height for this container. For example, the height of 100. Well, and we can also set a color for each of them, but it is enough up to here, and I press Ctrl S on my keyboard to see what happens. Well, as you see, it gave this height of 100, and if I set a background to the scaffold, for example, blue, and now you can see that how the cards are shown. Yes. Now we want to do something. We change the item count to 50 and press Ctrl S again. Well, actually it is better to choose this one. Yeah, it is better because it runs the application again, yes? Well, we can see that 50 cards are shown to us. We can place whatever we want beside these cards. This is the way to create a list view for ourselves, or actually for our application. And I go to the Code tab and select Reformat Code in order to arrange my codes. Now it looks better. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this session, and goodbye until next session.